this?
This is for Brody.
What?
We came, we saw, we kicked its ass.
Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice.
It's showtime.
So we're live.
We're live. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Nerdy Up North podcast. It's a nerdy podcast, and it's hosted by a Northern Nerds. I am one of your hosts, Sam.
And I am the other host, Paul. And we are joined by our own little X-Men team itself. We've got the lovely Jess, or Jessica, has done a little outfit, which we told her not to, but she still just can't help but get dressed up, bless her. Doesn't she look adorable, though? Everyone give her a clap in the chat.
It looks
Yes.
amazing.
Yes, and we are joined by fucking Lee.
Fucking Lee. Thanks, Paul. I love you too,
You
mates.
dickhead.
We're joined
My arms are
by
getting
a
tight.
Lee.
and we're just going to keep him stand in that position for as long as possible till his arms basically break. But saying that, though, he was a
Of the blast.
he was a former drummer, so he could probably do that all day long, son. Yes, we've got the Jake.
Hello.
Hello.
Can we be called the X-Force? That's not taken, is it?
It sounds more inclusive.
How about Excalibur? Because that's like, we're like British and like stuff, yeah?
This
Yeah.
sucked so bad, Excalibur. I'm sorry. Anyone who's an Excalibur fan, I'm judging you. I'm judging you as well. But yes. So I know you're probably sick of our faces because we stream literally all the time.
Are we live?
We're not live.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, no one's watching.
Right.
We're not live.
I've made a mistake. You know what I pressed? I pressed start recording instead of start streaming.
Oh, we should just play that at the end or something then.
That's fine.
Blooper reel.
We're going to